have a question from Mayank Goyal. All right.
Yes, yes.
And give me 1 second.
From a B.Tech student, right? What is the
Yeah.
expectation of an industry from B.Tech student? Yes.
Right.
Okay. So yeah, see, at the lowest level, obviously you have to start at the lowest level, right? So how do you become a hotel management guy? You have to start with the lowest level. You have to start with the cleaning the rooms, and then you make your way up in a hotel management business. So here, same thing here in B.Tech. I think if you have a B.Tech in computer science or mathematics, these kind of areas, then you can have a different view to data science. You can become a very good programming kind of a data scientist, huh? Because we need, so start with Jupyter notebooks, learn Python and R, become a hands-on data scientist, right? Be able to take data from any format. You should know how to do SQL versus MongoDB versus whatever. You should be comfortable with data coming in any format, any kind of data, image data, speech data, vision data, whatever it is, right? Videos, multivariate. You should become very comfortable with, give me any kind of data, give me any kind of problem statement, and I will be able to put it through the right APIs and give you something out, right? That is the expectation from a entry level data scientist, which is like a modeler. Can you actually build a model, connect data to models and produce it and put it in a production system, right? End to end. So data to decisions, can you build that pipeline first? That is a very important skill. Today, data scientists, another problem is people who learn a little bit of data scientist thinks, oh, I don't need to worry about production. Somebody else will do it for me. That is not how we should think. You should worry about data cleaning and collection as much as you worry about data putting it in the production environment, because unless it is there, your job is not done. So that pipeline, hands-on, can you build with the modern technologies, is a very good expectation of a starting data scientist. And you have to become a master at that, right? Not just one part of it. So there is enough material out there, all the way from how to deploy machine learning models. This is called AI DevOps. So AI DevOps is a very hot skill right now. People know how to build models, but we don't know how to deploy models. So AI DevOps, the data engineering, big data engineering is another area, and then modeling is one area, machine learning, right? So all three areas, big data engineering, machine learning, and AI DevOps. This is a complete stack, the first foundation of an entry level data scientist. You need to know all three. So you should be able to take, Kaggle has again spoiled us a little bit. Kaggle has, removed a lot of complexity that real world has, right? Kaggle gives you a nice clean data set. You don't have to deploy anything. You just have to check your score. So you don't understand machine learning data science completely if you're just doing Kaggle. Winning a competition is not the purpose of data science, right? So you have to be able to deal with wrong, noisy, weird data, all kinds of data, and be able to deploy the model on the other side. So that whole journey is what an entry level data scientist should be able to do. That's the expectation.
And it's just as as an engineering student,
Mm,
right?
mm, mm.
I would also just a request is that it's very important that think of this as a journey, right? It is not just learning C or C++ or Python and then you are onto it, like Dr. Shailesh said, and he was so humble today to still say that I'm a student, right? So for when you're doing engineering, and most of our young people, I would say, take this as a journey and not a just to put certificates on Instagram or put certificates on Facebook. Try not to do that. That will be very,
I'll give you an example. See, when I joined Google, I was at Google for 5 years, and before Google, I had done a lot of programming and all that. Not even AI, I'm talking, just programming, right?
right.
So I said, oh, I know C++, I know Java. But when I joined Google, it took me 6 months to actually check in my first code. So there is a difference between knowing programming and building a software.
Right. No,
right? It's pretty much like knowing how to play chess, the rules of the game, and become a grandmaster. You're still playing chess. It still looks like you are writing the for loops and if statements.
Right.
But there is a journey, like you said, right?
Yeah.
So same thing here. Don't get impatient that, why are you not there yet? It's a journey. You will learn the syntax of the language. Then you will become a master programmer. Similarly, you're going to learn the building blocks of AI first. right?
Right.
Uh, and then you are going to become a master data
Awesome.
scientist.
Right.
So
Right.
it's a journey.